With an abundance of space on offer, this property is perfectly suited to those looking to downsize, first home buyers or investors looking for a low maintenance property. We're here at 75B Pollard Drive, Leopold. I'm Shane King from Harcourts. Let's take a wander through the property. The floor plan offers 3 generous bedrooms, the master with direct access into the bathroom and an oversized walk-in robe. As is the case with all good floor plans, the heart of the home is centred around the open plan living, kitchen and dining area. The outdoor area is a perfect setting to enjoy a coffee in the morning or unwind at the end of the day. Additional features for the home include ducted heating, multiple split systems and a double garage. Well, we hope you enjoyed the property tour. If you do have any questions, please reach out to us via phone or email, or we'll look forward to seeing you at an inspection.